Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to recover deleted Facebook message easy and fast. Launch the Facebook Messenger app. Make sure you are logged in. Open Play Store. Then search unseen message. Click this app. Then install application. Open the application. Then check mark I agree. Click continue. Click enable permission. Select allow. Click continue. Click enable permission. Select allow. Click continue. Now if someone deletes you with a message, you will see the deleted message. I opened Facebook Messenger and saw who texted me. You can see that the message was deleted as soon as it was sent. You can see the deleted message is seen here. Thanks for watching.